devastating combination of mobility and firepower. It carries an armament capable of serious destruction. Weighing in at 68 tons, the M1 Abrams is the main battle tank of the United States Marine Corps. Operated by a crew of 4, the Abrams is a decisive asset in ground armored warfare. Tank crews must be proficient and cohesive to win battles. Being able to shoot, move, and communicate well are the hallmarks of victory. Today, Marines with 2nd Tank Battalion develop craft and cohesion on the ranges of Fort Knox, Kentucky.
The training out here is unique, not only because it's location, but it is, a company plus of tanks, shooting gunnery. Today we just finished up some maintenance on the tank and just preparing it for the course fire we got coming up over the next couple of days.
I was a part of 3-2 for the very first portion of gunnery that I shot here. And then I came over here to drive for the battalion commander's tank. Cohesion is probably what makes and breaks a crew. It can boil down to the tank's crews themselves and skill, their abilities and their own positions in the tank.
I am a loader, getting trained up to be a loader and also a gunner, but more so a loader for right now. It takes time, but going out there doing the day runs and the night runs, loading rounds, and you pick up on things, it begins to be muscle memory,
Here we can pretty much do some real tanking.
Tank right.
We get to go out and experience like much more realistic live fire scenarios.
It's been probably the most fun I've had in a long time. It's with the tank commander and the gunner, the loader, they're all just fun to be around. It's easy to get in the tank and operate effectively knowing that you've got a good crew.
Building that cohesion is the most important part of the gunnery, and that makes or breaks the tank crew. Given it's like the surprise opportunity came up, we jumped on it, and we turned something that was going to be kind of mundane and kind of per the book and everything. Now it was here, now it's kind of up here.
We're definitely learning how each other operate, and it's a learning curve altogether, but I think we're coming together quite well.
A tank is an impressive amalgamation of technology and might. But at its core lies a foundation stronger than steel. The cohesive bond that is forged as Marines train for battle.
Ceasefire, all targets destroyed.
Don't judge me, I like this one. One with the helmet on. Is that Copperfield?
top crew today. just give me a count of how many there are and give me the serial number. I don't even know necessarily in order because they're going to change. They're going to change 100 times.
You all right? You back?
All right, I'll see you over here.
It takes a lot. Oh, that's perfect.
He can run over, that's fine.
Personality.